Today I've got an exciting lesson lined up for you. A lesson to discover 10 phrasal verbs about money. Hello everyone, I'm Mina and I'm happy to have you here. If you're ready to start today's lesson and learn some exciting vocabularies, give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump right in. Our first phrasal verb is cough up. Repeat it. Cough up. Cough up. Cough up. This phrasal verb means to pay money. Even if you don't really want to. Like you have to pay money for something, but you are not happy for it. For example, you borrowed $50 from one of your friends and it's time to give it back. You may say, it's time to cough up the money I owed you. Up next is shell out. Shell out. Shell out. This phrasal verb means to spend money, especially a significant amount. When you shell out, typically you have to spend a lot. Imagine you want to buy a new smartphone and it costs a lot. You could say, I had to shell out quite a bit for this new cell phone. Our third phrasal verb is save up. Save up. Save up. This phrasal verb means to put money aside over time for a specific purpose or for something important or just for the future. Let's say you're planning a trip. You might say, I need to save up for that dream trip to Monaco. What are your techniques for saving up? Watch this video here. I've got some insights for you. Moving on to pay off. Repeat, pay off. Pay off. Pay off. This phrasal verb means to repay a debt or a loan. For example, after years of working hard and saving up, Mike could finally pay off his student loans. Next, we have layout. 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 This means to spend or invest your money on a specific project. Imagine you're starting a new business and you need to buy some equipment. Then you might say, I had to lay out a lot of cash for these new machines. Our sixth phrasal verb is run out of. Run out of. Run out of. Run out of. It means to spend all your money. Have none left. Imagine you spend all your money before the end of the month. You may say, I've run out of cash and it's only the 20th. What would you do in that situation? Borrowing some money from your friend? Don't forget to pay off as soon as possible. Moving on to break even. Break even. Break even. This means to earn as much money as you need to spend, resulting in no loss or profit. You break even when your income equals your expenses. In business, for example, you can say, after covering all expenses, we finally broke even this month. No profit, no loss. Next is rack up. Rack up. Rack up. It means to accumulate a large amount of debt or expenses. If you use your credit card for too many purchases, you may rack up a high credit card debt. Be careful. Phrasal verb number 9. Are you ready? Bail out. Bail out. Bail out. This means to rescue a person or a company from financial difficulties, helping them avoid bankruptcy or financial collapse. For example, during the financial crisis, many banks decided to bail out from the government to survive. And final phrasal verb, set aside. Set aside. Set aside. Set aside. It means to save a specific amount of money for a purpose or the future use. Similar to the phrasal verb, save up. For example, if you want to buy a new car, you have to set aside a portion of your income every month. That's all. 10 phrasal verbs about money. All you have to do is memorizing and using them in your daily conversations. You'll sound more fluent and confident. Take my word. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll discover more phrasal verbs about money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. Thank you very much for watching. Stay around and explore one of these videos. I'll be back soon. Bye bye.